Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of verify account on Snapchat. To know how to fix or how to solve verify account on your Snapchat, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you will click here. Then this list of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you click clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So if it's not working with you, you can just turn off your phone. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.